Hello and welcome to Act So Loud. One thing that I've especially noticed during this lockdown is that everyone has become a content creator. Everyone wants to be a social media influencer. But this conversation is to help you do it better. So, Sumed, Aves, and Nagma, welcome to Act So Loud.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for having us, Ranil.
What does it make you feel when, it's amazing that, according to me, I start seeing so much content that came out of the lockdown, right? Even people who are really shy about making content are just making content from home. What does that make you feel as a creators and someone who manages creators?
So during this lockdown, I came to know that I can do some creative makeup, which I didn't know before.
Yeah.
So I started experimenting with different looks, and people started appreciating and liking it. And other than that, even while shooting videos during the lockdown, we were not together yet. We created some amazing videos.
Yeah.
By combining all the videos together, and that is why I feel that लॉकडाउन में हमारा जो क्रिएटिविटी है सबका बाहर आ गया, क्योंकि और कुछ करने को था नहीं.
Yeah.
बिकॉज जब हमारा लाइफ नॉर्मल होता है, वी हैव सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स टू डू, वी हैव इवेंट्स टू अटेंड, वी हैव photo shoots or brand collaborations or this and that. But during the lockdown, we were completely free, and everybody were in a race because
Yeah.
ऐसा था कि everyone is trying. So everybody was trying their level best to create something different, and that is why I feel lockdown में सबके अंदर का creator
Correct.
बाहर आ गया.
Yeah. Aves?
Before lockdown, I had so many things to do. So I had to go out and shoot location, this, that. So when lockdown happened, I was like, now I have to be in one place and I have to do everything, which is like I'll get to rest, I'll get to do everything in one place. So lot of people started, like the creators started cribbing about it, but I took it in a very positive way. I'm like, okay, now this is the time where you can explore different things which you've never tapped, and things where which you always wanted to do.
Yeah.
And I started doing different type of videos, which means I used to always do group videos.
Yeah.
Then I started now doing solo videos involving only family. Then videos which were related COVID and stuff like that, making more awareness about COVID.
Yeah.
So I started focusing more on that, and I think I got way more content than normally what I would get. So
Correct.
I was not free, not even for a day.
Yeah.
I had some or the other thing to do in this lockdown.
How much of your content is filtered when it comes to, if you're about to post something, does Sumed have to, or his team has to approve it before it goes out?
I don't think so. They have to, because as an influencer, you are responsible for what you create. You know that there are young people watching you, and they follow you, and you don't want somebody to follow anything wrong. For example, I'll give you a small brief about me. Like, I do not wear short clothes. That's my principle. That's my own.
As a person.
As a person, because I wanted to create something for my target audience, who are in India there are many college going girls who want to wear covered clothes and yet look fashionable. So there were very few influencers who were actually catering to them. So I decided that why shouldn't I do that. So I started off with that. Then I have some principles, like I do not promote alcohol or tobacco, or drinking or smoking, any sort of things. And whenever I create a content, I think about it as an audience, like as in from the audience perspective. Like, if will it offend anyone if I'll say this word? Will any particular community will feel bad or no? So we have to go through all those thinking process, and then finally create a content. And we all sit together, me, Aves, everyone, and we have a discussion.
We show
like
each other videos के ये बराबर है
if I say this word, किसी को बुरा तो नहीं लग जाएगा अगर हम ये बोल देंगे, So हमें बहुत चीजें सोचनी पड़ती है. because there are many people who are very sensitive in our like audience.
Yeah, very true.
They feel bad for like the smallest things, so we have to be very careful. And after the recent all those YouTube versus TikTok thing happening, उसके बाद तो हमें और भी filter करना पड़ रहा था content हमारा. And that time we had a word with Sumed and everyone. We had a word कि हम क्या post करें, it should not have a backlash on us.
Correct. Yeah.
So ये सब चल रहा था.
For sure. Yeah.
That's when they came in. Other than that, we do it on our own.
Yeah, fab. Like, listen, tell me something. I have always this question has always irritated me when people come on like DM and be like, how do we become social media influencer? We want to become influencer. How do you react to this? Because I'm like, how do you answer this question?
They keep asking us for all these things. But I want to tell them कि social media influencer बनने से पहले आप figure out करो आपको बनाना क्या है, आपको बनना क्या है. You know, that's the exact point. वो जो मैं starting में बोल रहा था कि you need to know what you want to be. Don't look at someone and just say that मुझे ये बनना है. आप वो बनने जाओगे पर आप अपने आप को भूल जाओगे. और you'll always look means, for example, I want to be Sumed now, so I'll keep seeing Sumed and I'll try to be like him. तो उसमें मुझे हर टाइम सुमेध को देखना पड़ेगा. वो मेरी क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है. तो मैं हर टाइम सुमेध के प्रोफाइल पे जाके सुमेध को देखूंगा और फिर वो क्रिएट करूंगा. तो उसमें मेरा क्या था? Who is Avi? So that's what I keep telling my people, that my audience, that you don't have to be like me. आप बोलते हैं ना कि मुझे आपके जैसा बनना है. Whenever they tell me that, I tell them कि नहीं, आपको मेरे जैसा नहीं बनना है. I'm not posting stuff to show you that you guys need to be like me. No, I'm showing you stuff कि इससे आप inspire हो सकते हो. और आप अपने आप को figure out कर सकते हो और find out कर सकते हो आप क्या बन सकते हो.
I'll tell you what we look at in influencers when signing someone. We look at like I said, willingness to work. Like मेहनत trumps everything. कोई बहुत खराब है लेकिन बहुत मेहनत करता है तो जीत जाएगा. What adds to that मेहनत is origin story. इसके पहले का क्या सीन है? Like what is your life story? How many struggles have you gone through? What makes you? What is a relationship with your parents? Like that forms everything, because social media makes you naked, right? Because earlier forms of media, you would wear makeup, you would had a script and all. Now it makes you naked, that it's about you. It's just about you. और आप अगर झूठ बोल रहे हो, एक सेकंड में मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि आप झूठ बोल रहे हो.
Correct.
Right? So self-awareness about your personality is at the top. Like self-awareness is at the top.
And influencer is when you have the ability to sort of influence a certain demographic of people, right? You should be able to sort of pass on your idea to somebody. It can involve like a thought process. It can also involve selling a product when you're endorsing a brand on your social media. At what point in both of your social media influencer journey did you figure out that, okay, now I know that what I'm saying is sort of penetrating to the people that's watching me?
I had that thought from the start, because I started off as a fashion blogger. So I had this WordPress account where I used to review products. And I used to get in touch with the brands and ask them if they want me to review their product on a barter basis.
Love that,
so I started building up content on my WordPress. Then I shifted to Instagram. And then after that, I shifted to Musical.ly. That was TikTok. Okay. So everywhere I noticed that I had to fill my account with certain amount of content, so that the brands would also, approach me looking at that content. So for example, if today I'm wearing any outfit, I'll make sure that I'll tag all the brands, even if I'm not sponsored, so that people can see that, acha, I need to see her post because she tells me where she gets her stuff from. So that is how I started my journey. And I started approaching the brands from the start. I guess it was in 2014 or 15 when I started the WordPress account.
Yeah. That's crazy. Aviz?
There's a long story behind it where Nagma and I, we met through, we used to play Pokemon together.
Okay.
So there was this one place where we met. We were, and then she...
So that Pokemon Go, where like you go like that one?
Yeah.
Okay,
there was this one place where all the Pokemon trainers used to come and catch Pokemon and stuff like that. So we saw each other there. We became friends. One of my assistants used to also come. Then हम एक team बन गए. So then she started learning dance from me. I started learning. Okay, brand promotion ऐसे होता है, वैसे होता है. ये करने से वैसा होता है. I started learning things from her. Now
you guys did a barter deal with each other.
We did a barter deal with each other. So exactly ऐसे you don't have to know everything. It's just that you need to get inspired, see, figure out, and then
do it your way.
It's a process.
It's a process.
It's a process.
Yeah. Nagma and Aviz, you cannot dodge this question because I went through the questions and there were like 500 of these. Are they dating?
ये क्वेश्चन तो कितना बार आता है, इतना
आज बोल दो.
हमें अगर बोलना है तो हम लोग हमारे YouTube चैनल पे बोलेंगे ना, व्यूज मिलेंगे हमें.
इसके लिए हम लोग ने पूरा ड्रामा क्रिएट किया, बचाना है उसके लिए. ये वाले के लिए तो स्पेशली.
Is the announcement coming soon?
Maybe.
Yeah. Or we are bhai when. It can be anything. Yeah.
No, please. I can confirm this.
These people are too careful, Sumedh, which is why there is no drama here. Aviz and Nagma, you guys start. I'm getting to Sumedh after this for the back-end information on this. I have always wondered because I am obsessed with all creators in general. I consume a lot of international creator communities content, right? And I always I consume drama channel content. That's how obsessed I am, okay? Because there's drama that goes on there. Unlike here, there is nothing. I'm like, there is no drama, there is no problem, there is no public feud between any creators. What is happening in the back end? See, it's hard for me to believe that there is no problem between anyone. How are you covering this? What's going on the back end of this? Tell the truth, Nagma.
No. I'm just...
Now don't become Mother Teresa and be like, मुझे हर प्यार है, हमसे कोई problem हमें कोई problem नहीं.
प्रॉब्लम सब में ज्यादा होती है, सो वो मेरे और अवेज में ही होती है. लाइक हम लोग को बाकियों से लड़ने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है, हम लोग आपस में इतना लड़ लेते हैं. बिकॉज
this is the dodging the question. Don't do. That's not what I'm talking about.
Doesn't Nagma handle controversy so well? I think Nagma is incredible at handling difficult questions.
No.
Yeah, I understand that you guys are not involved in any drama, but what happens with other creators? Are there people who are involved in drama which are not public?
Yes.
Lots of drama. So much drama.
Like what?
People
Don't take names.
Stories पे fight करते हैं, पता है? Stories पे fight करते हैं, and then they come on the live stream and they bash each other so bad. Like तूने मेरा 5 रुपए नहीं लौटाया था, वो भी मतलब everything they will remove during the live streams. मतलब मैंने ऐसे 1-2 creators का देखा है, time हो गया है, and I'm like नहीं, you don't need to do all this. मतलब and I feel कि ये सब है ना, जो थोड़े young creators है ना, जो जिनको actually नहीं समझ में आता है कैसे handle करना है, वो लोग कभी-कभी ऐसी गलती कर देते हैं जो हम शायद पहले स्कूल में करते थे, you know, कि टीम अप करके.
अगर हम भी वो टाइम पे चालू किए होते तो आई थिंक अपन भी वही कर रहे होते हैं आज. व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस के बदले स्टोरीज पे डाले होते हैं. You know, when you don't want to talk to each other, remove DP and stuff like that.
Oh God.
Instagram DP उड़ा रहा है. Nagma still does that.
But what?
But WhatsApp.
No, but I feel it's comparatively lesser over here because I've seen दूसरे जगह पे, जैसा मैंने अभी रिसेंटली देखा था चार्ली एंड उन लोग सबका ड्रामा जब होता है, सो दे बैटल, मतलब वो ट्विटर पे एक दूसरे को नंगा कर देते वो लोग लिटरली. सो आई फील हमारे यहाँ पे थोड़ा लोग उस वे में लाइन क्रॉस नहीं करते हैं, एटलीस्ट अभी तक. तो हमारे साथ तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. एंड ये खाली आई गेस सब में बड़ा लास्ट,
बट आई थिंक चालू होगा.
Oh, I cannot wait.
ये चालू होगा मेरे को लग रहा है. What she's saying na, I'll tell you why. That's because people are seeing that the views are getting very high on those fights. So what's happening is people are creating drama out of it. I've seen people trying that. I've seen people trying to create fake relationship breakup, fake a lot of things. So I think all the drama which you're seeing there is coming It's slowly coming.
And I guess there are many people who try to, create videos on us, like me and Aves, trying to roast us and waiting for our feedback so that ये बड़ा हो, controversy बन जाए. But we always try to avoid it, and I say, मैं पहले से बोलती हूँ, जो अच्छा लगता है वही करना है, और हमें अच्छा लगता है कंटेंट बनाना, लोगों को एंटरटेन करना, तो हम उसी पे कंसंट्रेट करते हैं.
Yeah, now the new thing has happened that dance is called मुजरा. ये आ गया मुजरा करने के लिए. I'm like, क्या मतलब, क्या मिलता है? ये सब बोल के समझ में नहीं आता है. मैं तो अभी तो फिलहाल मेरे को फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता है. But I was just wondering कि what do people get by saying all these things? And होता क्या है? इन लोग सोचते क्या है? इन लोग के दिमाग में चलता क्या है? इन लोग सिर्फ कॉपी पेस्ट करके कमेंट करने आते हैं. I feel most of the time they do that. They have these people who follow करके रखे on purpose कि खाली जाके उन लोग कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे. आ गया मुजरा करेंगे. Because throughout ना वो एक ही कमेंट आता है.
Correct. So, and most of these people without any profile picture, 0 followers, following 7,500.
Yeah.
And plus they, they even write abuses and all the bad words. And when you tell them that, रुको मैं अभी साइबर क्राइम में आपका कंप्लेन करती हूँ, दीदी वो कोई और यूज कर रहा था मेरा फोन, वो मैं नहीं था, मेरा भाई ने लेकर कर दिया कमेंट. Like,
I wish I could show you the video, but I promised this girl that I wouldn't. One day I was getting for 3 days, okay, I was getting paragraphs of galis, okay, and this was during the lockdown, so I was anyway like on edge. I was very upset at people, so I was like today. And like the last sentence was like, the third message was like, आप ignore करने की कोशिश करोगे पर ignore कर नहीं पाओगे. So I was like, I was like, now I won't ignore. I have already filed a complaint at the cyber cell. You wait for a call from the cops to your parents, okay? And this girl starts, some Sneha or something her name is. She said, no, it was my 14-year-old child who sent the message. She's saying she learned something on the internet. So I said, you either send me a video apology or I won't take the case back. Obviously, I never put a case or anything. And then she's like, नहीं, उसकी पापा बहुत मारेगी उसे. And my 14-year-old girl can't come in front of the camera. So I said, the 14-year-old girl who can send these big galis, she can say sorry on video. And then finally she sent a video. It was her, the 14-year-old child, whose account it was. And she was trying to hide the face a little bit. And at the end, she took it off. And she was like, bhaiya, mat, mujhe nahi pata tha, and all of that. I don't understand.
Some people sometimes do it for attention.
Attention.
आप हमारे comments पढ़ते नहीं हो, इसकी वजह से हमको ये बोलना पड़ता है.
Correct.
आपका attention पाने के लिए. I'm like, क्या बोलने का?
But they don't understand that it affects the other person, in some or the other way.
Yeah.
तब avoid नहीं कर पाते. Sometimes थोड़े comments ऐसे होते हैं जो actually में hurt भी करते हैं, and ऐसा लगता है कि am I that bad? होता है कभी-कभी.
Okay, now I think I have asked all the questions that I wanted to. Now we have your followers who have sent in questions about becoming an influencer. The whys and hows. We will answer them, okay? Gauri12 is asking, does this profession settle your lives in the long-term sense? She's asking, is this a solid job that you can earn your living from, is the question.
When we say after the pandemic, everything has become digital.
Yeah.
Almost everything. So I feel that it's a good chance and a good, you can say, career. You can
I think digital market will never end. So
yeah,
this market is, it just started. Now it's never gonna end because it's digital.
Yeah.
And everything is online. Everything has gotten online. So this is the best place to work.
The only con is that everyone will be trying to become a digital influencer.
Yeah.
Everyone right now. So again, that will be a difficult thing to find your spot.
Okay, now Nagma and Aves, you cannot dodge this question because I went through the questions and there were like 500 of these. So I have picked one.
Oh no.
Who's Parveen Kumar 5539. Are they dating?
ये क्वेश्चन तो कितना बार आता है, इतना
आज बोल दो
नगमा बताओ.
नहीं हमें अगर बोलना है तो हम लोग हमारे YouTube चैनल पे बोलेंगे ना, व्यूज मिलेंगे हमें.
I'm telling you, this is the problem with shooting with content creator. हर दूसरे क्वेश्चन पे हमने इसके बारे में हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक YouTube वीडियो है, अदरवाइज दे आर लाइक हम अगले वीडियो में प्लान कर रहे हैं हम.
इसके लिए हम लोग ने पूरा ड्रामा क्रिएट किया, बचाना है उसके लिए. ये वाले के लिए तो स्पेशली बन कब से हाँ ये बना के रखा हुआ है.
Is the announcement coming soon? I mean, the announcement could be anything. It could mean we are dating or we are not dating. It could be anything.
Maybe.
Yeah. Soon. Or we are bhai-behn. It can be anything. Yeah.
Please, no, please. I can confirm this.
These people are too careful, Sumit. Which is why there is no drama here. You need to find more. You need to find a few dumb creators who will just say whatever they want.
Ranil, in the back end, na, we have calculated कि drama से कितना revenue आता है और non-drama से कितना revenue आता है, and the non-drama revenue trumps the drama revenue. So it's good to have no drama.
All right, guys, we have come to the end of this really long chat about the hows and whys of becoming an influencer. Well done. I'm so proud of you guys that you're doing so well. And well done you guys, because digital media is one of those spaces which is a level playing field, right? So if you're doing well, you're doing something well. So well done. Thank you so much for coming on Axel Loud. At the end of Axel Loud, we do something called the Axel Loud virtual hug, which is where I would love to give you a hug in person, but we can't because we're socially distancing as responsible citizens. Okay, so just extend your arms and pretend like you're hugging, and we'll take a screen grab. Perfect. Done. Got it. Thank you, guys. Please take care.
Thank you so
much. Can't wait to see more from you guys.
Thank
you.
See you.
Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.